Okay, students, let's start with today's activity. As you can see, here I am having one tray. Okay, in the tray there are 4 objects. Can you see? All are the eatable. Can you name them? You can see all are in sphere in shape, but they are different. Okay, what is it? This is, yes, one of the favorite fruit, that is pomegranate. Fine. What is this? This is potato. What is this? Yes, this is tomato. And what is this? This is onion. So children, you all know what are all these things? Okay. So, can you tell me which is at first place? Among all these 4, which one is at first place? Yes, it's pomegranate. Fine. At second place, it's potato. At third place, it's tomato. At fourth place, or we can say at last, it's onion. Okay, if we'll start from this side. Okay, if we'll start from left hand side. Fine. So children, can you tell me one more thing? Say this is tomato. Okay, you all know this. Okay, which vegetable is before tomato? Please listen it clearly. Which vegetable is before potato? Means the vegetable which is before tomato. This is potato. Yes, potato is just before the tomato. Okay, potato is just before the tomato. If I'll ask which vegetable is just after tomato, which vegetable is just after tomato? It is onion. What we call it? Onion. So children, in mathematics, okay, whenever there is any number, okay, if I ask, okay, if we ask the number which is just before that number, it is called as predecessor. What we call them? Predecessor. Fine. And the number which is just after that number is called as successor. Fine. The number which is just after that number is called as successor. Suppose this potato is at third place. We all know that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Tomato is at third place. Fine. So just before number is 2. Just before number is 2. So we can say the predecessor of 3 is 2. The predecessor of 3 is 2 because 2 comes just before 3. And we can say the successor of 3 is 4. The successor of 3 is 4 because here we can say after 3, or we can say after tomato is onion. After 3 is 4. So children, this way you have to keep this thing, you have to keep it in your mind. What is successor and what is predecessor? Okay. The important key is before means predecessor and after means successor. Fine. And this will solve few questions in our notebook. Okay. Then this thing will be clear to you. Fine.